Today, we will set up our first trading strategy.
We will look at the basic value averaging strategy approach, and then, we will see how to set up CoinAcrobat to execute it in our benefit.
So, how does the first strategy make money? It is surprisingly simple. Let me walk you through an example.
Let's start with $2,000 you would like to invest. At the moment, the total value of your assets is $2,000 and you have it all in dollar currency.
For sake of the model situation, the market price of Bitcoin is $1,000 today. For your $2,000, you can afford 2 Bitcoins, so you buy 2 Bitcoins.
At the end of the day, your assets still have value of $2,000, but now you have it in Bitcoin currency.
An important thing to remember about value averaging is that it is based on maintaining the constant value in investment currency. In our model, we decided to keep maintaining $2,000 value in Bitcoins from now on.
In our model situation, the second day the Bitcoin price grows to $2,000. Since we bought our 2 Bitcoins yesterday, their value today is $4,000.
Because our strategy is based on maintaining constant value in investment currency, we will sell 1 Bitcoin today to get back to the $2,000 value. This brings $2,000 back to our wallet for future investments.
As another day passes, the Bitcoin price drops down again to $1,000.
The drop on cryptocurrency price brings our investment value down to $1,000 only. To maintain our decided value at $2,000, we are buying 1 Bitcoin for $1,000 again, keeping the remaining $1,000 in our wallet.
In our example, the price of currency fluctuated between $1,000 and $2,000. We used the volatility in our profit and turned our $2,000 from day 1 to $3,000 on day 3 despite the very same Bitcoin market price on those 2 days.
The principle works towards the same profitable results whether the exchange rate oscillates up or down. Look at the short simulation of the inverse situation. In this case, the price dropped and grew back to its original value.
Note that in this simulation we had to add an extra $1,000 temporary cash to follow the method. To prevent this, CoinAcrobat is by default investing only 75% of your total assets, keeping the 25% for similar situations.
Now that we understand the principle of our first investment method, we will take a look at setting up CoinAcrobat for doing the work for us regularly. In real world, the changes are not as significant as in our example, but they are much more frequent. Letting a robotic process automation tool such as CoinAcrobat do the work, we are making sure that the transactions are much more frequent and that they are performed in smartly selected moment.
When you log into your CoinAcrobat account for the first time, and then as long as you have no active strategies, you will find a quick start banner on your dashboard.
First of all, you must decide which currency pair you would like to trade. If this is your very first encounter with cryptocurrency trading, I would suggest to start with pair Bitcoin, dollar. This one is traded by the most people.
Once you select your trading pair, CoinAcrobat will automatically check your Bitstamp account for assets value and will determine the total for you. In case you have not transferred your assets to the sub-account attached to CoinAcrobat, do it now. You may also adjust the value now in case you do not want to trade the entire value or in case you are planning to transfer the assets soon.
The last option is the trading frequency. By default, we are checking the market for trading opportunity every minute. You can also choose to do this hourly or daily. Less frequent strategy execution will lead to slower credit consumption on your CoinAcrobat account, but you might miss some of the short-term opportunities.
Hitting the final confirmation button will launch your strategy instantly. It is this simple. You just started algorithmic trading now.
Once your strategy is running, you can check its status in My Strategies section.
In the view, you can check the overall status of your running strategies. You can start, stop, or delete them, and you can also drill down to a detailed report of the strategy performance.
The strategy report starts with overall information about the status, selected algorithm and execution frequency.
The main component of the view is the graph, showing the detailed timeline of your trading and several important performance indicators.
The transactions are highlighted in the graph by red and green circles. When CoinAcrobat instructs to buy the currency, green circle is placed in the graph at the price of the transaction. When it is an instruction to sell, red circle is placed accordingly.
There are several values represented in the graph. You can switch them on and off by the checkboxes above. As an example, total account value shows the momentary value of both traded currencies.
The log window shows various messages from the transaction execution. As this can be a lot of data accumulated over time, CoinAcrobat allows you to filter specific severity of messages, and the slider on the left side moves you in time, showing older or newer messages.
Thank you for watching. You are now all set to start your successful investment strategy. Welcome on board.